Hi guys, I'm really happy to see you guys over here. So in this video we'll be configuring all our network settings that are required for the course to work around with Metasploit. So what you can do is head over to VirtualBox and over here every machine has a different network adapter. So I would recommend you to turn off all the machines in case you have anything turned on, because network settings or adding in a network card will require you to reset the machine. So you can do that. I'll just quickly power off the machine directly. So as you can see, if you go to settings and if you have selected a machine, you will notice that inside the settings, inside the preferences, there are many options. So you can go to network and add in a network, and by default in VirtualBox there are many different types of networks. You have internal network, bridge adapter, and various other things. We'll take a look at them in detail, and for our course we'll select the one which is good. So you can either select bridge adapter, which will work as a machine which is connected to your physical computer, so you can access your virtual machine via your physical computer and it will be in network. So that is there, but you have to change settings for all the machines. So you have to configure this settings for all the machines that are available. So till now we have installed Kali Linux, we have installed developer preview, Windows, and even Metasploitable. So you can do that, and by default you can add in 4 network adapters in VirtualBox, and you can do that. You can create multiple networks. For this course I won't recommend you to connect it in bridge network. What we'll do is we'll create our own network for internal communication and to use internet as well. So you can do that. So how you can create your own network? So to create your own network, what you can do is you can go to VirtualBox preferences. So just make sure that machines are not selected. So I'll just click on tools. You can either go from the menu or you can click on tools, go to preferences. If you have a Windows system, you might have to go from the menu. So add in a new network, click on the plus icon and add the network, click on OK. Now again go to machines. Now you have to select the machine and add in the network. Go to advanced, and over here you have to select allow VMs. So this will basically allow all the virtual machines to communicate internally. So you have to do this to your Kali system, your Windows system, as well as to Metasploitable. So this is the normal network settings that you have to do. So that's all for this video.